Imagine gliding down the highway, completely silent except for the sound of the wind, no rumbling engine, no fuel stops, just the open road and a futuristic home on wheels. Welcome to the world of the 2026 electric RV, a game changer in the way we travel, live, and explore. But this isn't just an RV. It's a mobile lifestyle revolution packed with innovation, sustainability, and tech that feels like it's from the future. Let's talk about what makes this electric RV so different. First off, it runs purely on electricity, meaning zero emissions, zero fuel costs, and virtually no engine noise. With fast charging capabilities and solar panels integrated right into the sleek roof, this machine recharges itself while you rest, relax, or adventure. It's like having your own power station on wheels. Step inside, and it's like walking into a luxury apartment, not a traditional camper. The interior is completely reimagined with minimalist Scandinavian design. Smooth wood accents, ambient lighting, and modular furniture that transforms with your needs. A cozy sofa by day becomes a plush bed at night. Hidden storage compartments are built into the walls, and yes, there's a full-size kitchenette with an induction stove, smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. It's efficient, it's beautiful, and it's all powered sustainably. The control center of this RV? A huge touchscreen dashboard that puts everything at your fingertips, from climate control and battery levels to solar input and route optimization. And the best part? It's fully connected to your phone, so you can prep your trip, pre-cool your cabin, or even check security cameras remotely. But what really makes this RV next level is the driving experience. It's got dual electric motors, instant torque, and adaptive cruise control. It practically drives itself on highways. You get smooth handling, zero lag, and enough range to travel over 300 miles on a single charge. Plus, with charging stations popping up faster than ever, range anxiety is officially a thing of the past. And if you're into off-grid living, this electric RV is your dream come true. It comes with an optional battery expansion pack, giving you up to a week of autonomous power. Add to that a rainwater collection system, composting toilet, and Starlink internet, and you're totally off-grid but still fully connected. Families, digital nomads, retired couples, adventure seekers, this RV isn't made for just one type of traveler. It's made for anyone who dreams of freedom without limits, comfort without compromise, and travel without guilt. So whether you're cruising through mountains, parked at a beachside cliff, or exploring the forests with your entire home in tow, the 2026 electric RV gives you the power to go anywhere, live everywhere, and do it all sustainably. And let's be real, the future of road trips has never looked this cool.